港鐵藝術計劃希望為乘客喺旅途上增添一啲生氣同埋活力，用藝術將城市每一個角落聯繫喺一齊。香港人生活繁忙，車站藝術可以營造一個優雅嘅空間，俾我哋嘅客人放鬆心情。喺會展站，我哋邀請到資深嘅藝術家梁志和先生為車站設計展品。佢以水記憶為題，喺車站入面以1200幅維港嘅水面相片組成咗一個大型嘅裝置藝術。
佢某程度就好似一個 time capsule 咁樣，咁所以隔一段時間我都會去會展站對出個灣仔海面咧，去影低個海面。
除咗 Water Memory 呢個藝術品之外，會展站亦都喺2018年進行挖掘嘅期間咧，我哋發現咗3個二戰時期嘅彈殼。我哋亦都將其中一個喺會展站展出，並加插咗一啲歷史背景俾大家了解。東鐵線係一條有超過100年歷史嘅鐵路。我哋喺上層月台展出咗關於百年鐵路發展嘅展覽，而喺下層月台，我哋亦都展出咗關於東鐵線過海段呢個龐大工程嘅複雜建造過程。當年嘅海岸蛻變成為今日東鐵線嘅新車站，將百年鐵路連接到喺金鐘站，以金鐘呢個香港商貿核心作為咗4線匯聚嘅超級車站。
What I initially did for the concept was looked at the entire system map, and I sort of drew some gestures of the 4 train lines coming into Admiralty Station. The color is based on the color of the train line on the map system. And then each map element is perforated aluminum. And with those perforations, when they overlap, it creates a beautiful moire pattern. So it gives us another sense of movement.
我哋期望引領前行呢件藝術品可以帶俾乘客一個耳目一新嘅感覺。